Here in East Tennessee, very quiet across the area. 73 is where we are right now in Knoxville. Look at the 64 in Oneida, 66 up in Barberville, and it is very comfortable on the Comfort Cast. A lot of green. It's not uncommon this time of year and this time of night to see a tropical feel or that pink shading for just about everybody. So as dry as this atmosphere is, it's going to cool quickly tonight. 50s and low 60s heading out the door. We were low to mid 80s most areas today. It will be warmer for our Friday. This is a little closer to average, but it's still not overly humid. There'll still be plenty of comfortable conditions around. Now, the later in the day we go, we'll start to get a little more humid across the region. And then this is all the moisture in the atmosphere, not just the surface like I just showed you. We're going to be seeing some rain chances because that moisture is very deep, meaning it's coming out of the Gulf, and some of this rainfall could end up being on the heavier side. Right now, a medium risk of some flash flooding across our area. I don't think everybody's going to see flooding, obviously. Could be a pocket here or there. Wouldn't take much. Some of these showers to move over the same spots. We'll keep an eye on that. Low end risk for some severe thunderstorms across the western third of our area later Saturday into Saturday evening. I said it's a conditional threat. What I mean by that is several things still have to happen before this were to occur. I don't want to downplay it. We will keep an eye on it. But my biggest question is if we see some earlier shower chances in the day, it's going to be harder to get that severe threat later in the day. That's why I don't think everybody has an opportunity. I think it is back towards the middle part of the state, so I don't have a problem with the Storm Prediction Center putting the plateau under this risk. Let's take a look from 7 a.m. to midday. You have a narrow window. The showers are moving in a little quicker than what it like earlier for today, so if this actually happens, you're not going to have a lot of time early on Saturday to get those outdoor plans done. And if that comes through, again, it's going to be hard for the atmosphere to recover by the time the cold front approaches and before the sun sets. That's 7 o'clock, and then notice the shower and storm chances increasing across the area, especially later Saturday into Saturday night. So that's our best opportunity. Saturday night into Sunday. About half of us could see some showers and storms on Saturday, again, a little later in the day. And then as we head into early next week, Monday, Tuesday, this storm system is going to kind of sit and spin over our area. So this trough or elongated area of low pressure is what's producing the rainfall for Saturday and Sunday. But as this pulls away, a smaller chunk of that gets left behind and actually closes off or cuts off from the main flow. And it just sits there and spins, which means we'll have several opportunities for some rain as we go into the first part of next week. It's mainly afternoon, evening, and they're a little more spotty in nature. I still think the better opportunity is going to be later Saturday through Sunday. Not a complete weekend washout, but not as nice as it was today nor yesterday, and nor will it be, I think, the second half of next week.